Congratulations, you found your perfect piece of land in the Cayman Islands right here. Let me walk you through what happens next, how to reserve your future risk-free, and why reserving your lot does not commit you to purchase. Now you've found your perfect lot, simply click Reserve Now and pay a fully refundable $250 reservation fee. Paying the reservation fee takes the lot off the international market for 10 days whilst you complete your due diligence, ensuring no one else can buy the lot. The reservation fee is securely processed through Stripe, a trusted global payment gateway. So, what happens after you reserve? As soon as you complete the reservation through our website, you're officially on the path to your future in the Cayman Islands. Your chosen lot will be marked as reserved and you'll receive a confirmation email right away. Next, a member of our team will send over your documentation to review, so you can look everything over at your own pace and consult with a lawyer if you'd like. And don't forget to check your spam folder. We wouldn't want your piece of paradise getting lost in there. If you have any questions or want to customise your payment plan, our team is here to help. To comply with Cayman Islands regulations, as soon as we receive your reservation fee, you'll receive a link to IDPal, our trusted verification platform. Our team is here every step of the way to help walk you through the paperwork and answer any questions, ensuring you're completely comfortable before moving forward. Since 2008, Oasis has helped over 1,000 landowners worldwide secure building freehold land in the Cayman Islands, stress-free, secure and simple. Click Reserve Now to lock in your land today. It's your first step to turning your second home in paradise, getaway home, island retreat, whatever it may be, into a reality.